Hi, my name is Guo Wen, currently a Year 3 student studying in Mechanical Engineering.
Hi, I'm Stella. I was a student from the School of Health Science Nursing. I just recently graduated last year and currently I'm working full-time. Actually, what tea started off in Aljunied. So why did we actually rent a place in Aljunied? Because firstly, the price is affordable in terms of the rental in the open market, and second, the space is very big. However, our target audience is actually not in that area. Hence, we decided to look for help and ways to promote our shop in the online marketing, like social media, using social media like Facebook and Instagram. Also, we decided, as we are both students at the point of time in Ngee Ann Poly, and then we actually heard about the sandbox. So I actually go and email the sandbox to actually seek for advice. And during one of the meetup with the sandbox mentors, which is also at the same time the Be Your Own Boss competition mentors, and they actually introduced the Be Your Own Boss competition to us, and hence we decided, why not give it a shot? We have nothing to lose at all, actually. Yeah, so we end up being the runner-up for the competition, and then we got kiosk in Ngee Ann now. So the unique selling point of our tea is actually our DIY menu, which is the decide it yourself menu. So customers can actually create their own cup of tea by choosing the type of base, which consists of the tea, milk or water. So next, by choosing the ingredients they actually want, ranging from like mango, strawberry, fruity flavors, or to even like chocolate, matcha, blue coral. So next, they can just choose the toppings they want. So on our menu 2.0, customers can actually fizz up their drink by sodalizing it, or we call it fuzzylizing it. So their drinks will become soda-ish, which is something we would like to try. And also next, we can actually allow customers to actually add in make their drinks ice blended in our 2.0 menu. So and also another unique selling point will be our sea salt series, whereby customers can actually it's something like cheese foam, but it's not cheese, it's salt instead. It's sea salt lah, I would say. So it's something unique which not a lot of people get to try outside.
So far for this case, Stella is in charge of the background work. For example, Instagram management, digital marketing, and sales planning. I'm providing training, operation, and inventory management in school where I'm studying.
So to all the viewers out there that's watching this video, something that I would like to tell you is that always persevere, never give up. I know a lot of people say this, but it is really never give up. In fact, there's a lot of times whereby I just want to give up, as juggling between a full-time job and what is really very tiring. But then as time passed by, when you never give up, you continue to put in effort, you'll see that, oh, actually my effort actually does work. That helps to improve the business. More and more customers is coming by to drink my tea, and I really felt very shook. Yeah, and then sometimes I look back and think, wow, lucky I never give up. If I give up, what tea won't even be there now. It might even be closed down already.